Welcome to Basic Solar System Flow. Now that you know panels make DC power and inverters convert it to AC, let's trace the complete path energy takes through a solar system. Understanding this flow is essential for knowing what to inspect and where problems can occur. In a standard system without a battery, energy follows a simple 6-step path. Sunlight hits the solar panels. The panels convert that sunlight into DC electricity. The inverter converts DC to AC. The AC power enters your home's main electrical panel, the breaker box. It then powers your lights, appliances, and outlets, and any excess power flows back to the utility grid. This is called net metering. Homeowners receive a credit on their electric bill for energy they export. At night or on cloudy days, the home automatically draws power from the grid. When a battery is added, the system gets one important additional step. Excess solar energy charges the battery instead of, or in addition to, going to the grid. At night or during an outage, the battery discharges to power the home. Battery systems are becoming more common and add complexity to inspections because there are additional components to evaluate: the battery unit, a gateway device, and sometimes a backup panel. Let's talk about net metering in more detail. When solar panels produce more electricity than the home is using, the excess flows back to the utility grid. In many areas, the homeowner receives a credit on their electric bill for this exported energy. However, net metering availability and credit rules depend on local utility policies. Some utilities offer full retail credit, while others provide reduced credit or limit how much energy can be exported. As an inspector, be aware that system behavior and homeowner benefits can vary by location. Why does understanding energy flow matter for your inspections? First, it tells you which components to check at each stage of the system. Second, it helps you identify where energy losses might be occurring. Third, it lets you explain your findings to homeowners in plain, clear language. And fourth, it helps you determine whether the system is performing as expected at each step of the energy path. Here are the key takeaways from this module. The standard energy flow is sun to panels to inverter to home to grid. Battery systems add a storage step between the inverter and the grid. Net metering credits homeowners for excess energy sent to the grid. And understanding this flow helps you inspect systematically and explain your findings clearly. Coming up next, solar electricity basics: volts, amps, watts, and kilowatts.